gonna step on a bubble wrapper. Okay, Dad. Are you ready to step on the bubble wrapper?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and step on it like an elephant. I'm gonna go.
Oh my goodness. Let's see who's gonna pop the most bubbles.
Ooh, I'm gonna pop the bubbles. Are you ready?
Wow, Daddy, you popped the most bubbles. That means you're the winner. Okay, that's enough, Dad. That's enough. That's enough. Mom, it's your turn.
Oh, you want me to do that too, baby, Mabel?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, baby. You want me to pop the most or the least bubble?
The most bubbles, because everybody has to be the winner. Right now, Dad is the winner. If all of us is gonna be the winner, we are gonna win this game. Wow, did you beat all the bubbles? You're gonna beat all the bubbles, and you're gonna be the winner.
Who's the winner?
Let me see if you popped all the bubbles. Did you?
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Now it's my turn.
You have to turn it around.
Hey, hey, hey.
Nobody sees you. Turn it around. Like this. Okay, pop it.
Okay.
Okay.